First of all, we will start. First of all, we will start number system. First of all, what is natural number? Listen. What is natural number? Natural number. Natural number. What is natural number? Collection of all the positive number or counting number. Collection of all the positive number, or you can say that counting, all the counting numbers. Counting numbers like 1, 2, 3 and so on, positive infinite, positive infinite. Let's suppose this is a number line. This is a number line. So 0 start here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is positive infinite. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. This is your negative infinite. The natural number collection of all the positive numbers from here to here. All these are called as natural numbers. Capital represented as capital. Then let's talk about the whole number. What is whole number? What is whole number? Whole number. What is whole number? Collection of all the positive number including 0. Collection of all the copy and paste. Collection of all the positive number including 0. That is, if you consider from 0 to this is your whole number. This is your whole number. Now let's come to the integer. What is integer? What is integer? Collection of all the positive number and negative number including 0. Collection of all the positive number and negative number including 0. Is that clear or not? Including 0. For example, total. This total number line, this number line represents all these positive number, 0 and negative number, including all as integer. Everything we have already discussed. Now today we will study what is rational number. 9th. What is rational number? This is very important. 9th chapter number 1. What is rational number? Rational number. Don't confuse with rational number and fraction. Don't confuse yourself with rational number with fraction. Understand? Rational number, the number which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q both are integer. This is symbol belongs to. For example, DR belongs to Patrapara. For example, anybody else, your friend belongs to some places. PQ are integer. PQ any integer. PQ can be any integer, but Q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0. This is very important. P negative हो सकता है. P can be negative. P can be positive. P can be 0. But Q can be positive, Q can be negative, but Q can be 0. So that denominator must be a positive or negative number. Non-zero number होना चाहिए Q. Is that clear or not? For example, you may write that is 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 0 by 2, but 2 by 0 is not possible. This number is not possible. You may write minus 3 by 5. 5 by minus 3, everything is possible. 0 by minus 3, but minus 3 by 0 is not possible. It is not possible. This is not a rational number. Is that clear or not? The number which can be written in the form of P by Q is called as rational number. And one thing mind it, if somebody asking you, then what will be the sequence? What will be the sequence? First case natural number. First case natural number. natural number. So gift with you might have seen that for example there is a when somebody is gifting to someone in marriage function, then inside a gift there is another box. When you will open that box, then you will find that another box will inside that gift, and so on. It will so on. So likewise natural number, then natural number, then whole number, then integer, then rational number. Rational number represented as q. Represented as q. Integer is I. Whole number is w, and natural number is capital N. Clear or not? If someone is asking that is 5 is called as a rational number, yes it can be, because 5 is also equal to 5 by 1. You can write. So this is in the form of p by q. 5 is here p, 1 is here q. So that's why 5 is also a rational number. If someone is asking is -4, for someone is asking is -4 is a rational number, yes it can be, because -1 can be written as -4 by 1. But -4 is not equal to -4 by -1. This is not equal, because this value is 4. -4 by -1, this is equal to 4. -1 will be cancelled. So each and every number, for example, a natural number can be called as rational number, a whole number can be called as rational number, a integer can be called as rational number, but vice versa is not possible. एक whole number को हम natural number कह सकते हैं या नहीं कह सकते? Can we or not? Whole number को natural number का कोई करेगा? No, never. But natural number को whole number का कोई करेगा? Because natural number comes in whole number, but vice versa is not possible. Odisha in India, not India inside Odisha. Okay. Now next number. Another thing is irrational number. Same chapter there is another one is irrational number. Irrational number. What is irrational number? The number which cannot be written in the form of p by q. The number which cannot be written in the written in the form of p by q. Is that clear or not? In the form of p by q. Okay. For example, it a quantity can be represented as how it is represented q dash or like this. Okay.